Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. It is Atawala Mugheri, student of BBA 2K20, roll number 15 from Sindh University campus, Larkana. Subject business mathematics, supervised by Sir GM Sheikh. Presentation video for final examination. Number first, what is an equation? An equation says that two things are equal. It will have an equal sign like this. X plus 2 equals 6. That is, equation says what is on the left is equal to what is on the right. So an equation is like a statement this equals that. The definition of a linear equation is an algebraic equation in which each term has an exponent of 1 and the graphing of the equation results in a straight line. Parts of an equation: constant. A number on its own is called a constant. Something invariable or unchanging, such as a proportion, a number that has a fixed value in a given situation, or universally 3, 8, 125, 34. Coefficient. A coefficient is a number used to multiply a variable. 4x means 4 times x. So 4 is a coefficient. Variable on their own without a number next to them actually have a coefficient of 1. X is really 1x. Operator. An operator is a symbol such as plus, multiplication, etc. that show an operation we want to be something with the value. Term. A term is either a single number or a variable, or numbers and variables multiplied together. Expression. An expression is a group of terms. The terms are separated by plus or subtraction signs. Exponent. The exponent, such as the 2 in x power 2, says how many times to use the value in a multiplication. Polynomial. Example of a polynomial: 5x power 2 plus x subtraction 2. A polynomial can have constants, variable and exponent 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. But it never has divided by a variable. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. There are special names for polynomials with 1, 2 or 3 terms. 2xy, x plus 2y, y plus 3z plus 2y. Conditional equation. It is an equation that has exactly one solution. Up to this point, we only considered equation of this type. Identity. An identity is an equation that is always true. Every real number is a solution of an identity, so it has infinite solutions. The solution of a linear equation, which is an identity, is mostly expressed as proportion x belongs to R. In the end, you get proportion 0 equal to 0. Contradiction. A contradiction is an equation that is always false. It has no solution. It is mostly expressed as x belongs to the empty set. How to know if an equation is a contradiction? You get a contradiction in the end. For example, you have to change the equal sign to inequality sign. Number second topic: break-even analysis, demand and supply function. The break-even point is a production level where total revenue is equal to total expenses, when there is no profit and no loss. Break-even analysis: profit equal revenue subtraction expenses. Expenses can be variable cost and fixed cost. Profit equal revenue subtraction variable cost subtraction fixed cost. There are shape of PowerPoint. There are no profit and no loss. This is called break-even point. Demand and supply functions. Demand: the quantity demanded of a good is the amount of a product that consumers are willing to purchase at a given price. The higher the price, the lower the quantity demanded. Supply: the quantity supplied of a good is the amount of a product that a company is willing to make available for sale at a given price. The higher the price, the higher the quantity supplied. Equilibrium price. Equilibrium price of a product is the price at which quantity supplied equals to quantity demanded. Number second, third topic, matrix. What is it? Matrix algebra is a means of making calculations upon arrays of numbers or data. Most data sets are matrix type. Why use it? Matrix algebra makes mathematical expression and computation easier. It allows you to get rid of cumbersome notation, concentrate on the concepts involved, and understand where your results come from. Definition of vector. A vector, a single row or column of numbers denoted with bold small letters. Raw vector and column vector. Definitions of matrix. A system of m numbers arranged in the form of an ordered set of m rows, each consisting of an ordered set of n numbers, is called an mx matrix. If there are m rows and n columns in the array, the matrix is said to be of order m multiplication n or mn or m by n. A matrix is an array of numbers denoted with a bold capital letters. All matrices have an order to dimension, that is the number of rows multiplication the number of columns. So A is 2 by 3 or numbers A, I, J are called elements. First subscript indicates the row, second subscript indicates the column. The matrix consists of mn elements. It is called the m multiplication n matrix, or simply the matrix A if the number of rows and columns are understood. Types of matrix. Row matrix. An m multiplication n matrix is called row matrix. Columns matrix. An m multiplication n matrix is called row matrix. Square matrix. A square matrix is a matrix that has the same number of rows and columns. Zero matrix. A matrix each of whose elements is zero and is called a zero matrix. It is usually denoted by 0. It is also called null matrix. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix with it is all non-diagonal elements is 0. Is a diagonal matrix, then Aij equals 0 whenever I it is not equal j. Diagonal elements are the Ij elements of the square matrix for which I equal to j. Diagonal elements are said to constitute the main diagonal or principal diagonal or simply a diagonal. The diagonals which lie on the line perpendicular to the diagonal are said to constitute secondary diagonal. Diagonal are principal diagonal or simply a diagonal. The diagonals which lie on a line perpendicular to the diagonal are said to constitute secondary diagonal. Here main diagonal constant of 1 and 4 and secondary diagonal constant of 2 and 3. Scalar matrix. It is a diagonal matrix whose all main elements are equal. Unit matrix. It is a scalar matrix whose all diagonal elements are equal to unity. It is also called a unit matrix or identity matrix. It is denoted by In. Triangular matrix. If very elements above or below the diagonal is 0, the matrix is said to be a triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. Equality of matrix. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal If A and B are of the same order, all the elements of A are equal is that of corresponding elements of B. True two matrices A equal Aij and B equal Bij of the same order are said to be equal if Aij equal Bij. If A and B are equal, then X equal 1, Y equal 2, Z equal 3, W equal 4. Trace of a matrix. In a square matrix A, the sum of all the diagonal elements is called the trace of A. It is denoted by A. For example, A equal 1 plus 4 plus 1 is equal 6. Number B equal 1 plus 4 equal B equal 5. Operations in matrices: addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, matrix multiplication. Addition and subtraction. Two matrices may be added or subtracted if they are the same order. Simply add or subtract the corresponding elements so A plus B equal to C. Rule of matrix multiplication. Multiplication or product of two matrices A and B is possible if the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. The role of the multiplication of the matrices is the row column wise. The first row of AB is obtained by multiplying the first row of A with first, second and third column of B. The second row of AB is obtained by multiplying the second row of A with first, second and third column of B. The third row of AB is obtained by multiplying the third row of A with first, second and third column of B. Number 4 topic: ratio and proportion. A ratio is a comparative measure of two quantities of the same kind in the same unit of measurement. If A and B are two quantities of same kind, the ratio of A and B is expressed A proportion B. If the ratio A proportion B, A is known as antecedent and B is known as consequent. It is also expressed how many times one quantity is greater or lesser than other. A ratio is a poor number. Example: if two students scored marks 60 and 17 in mathematics, the ratio of their marks are 6 proportion 7. Number 2, if the investments for two persons X and Y in a business are 40,000 and 30,000 respectively, then ratio of their investment is 4 proportion 3. Notes: a ratio is always expressed in the simplest form. For example, the ratio 6 proportion 10 is expressed as the simplest form of 3:5. The order of term is the ratio is very important. For example, the ratio 4:5 is not same as 4:4, 5:4. The terms of a ratio is multiplied or divided by a non-zero number. For example, the ratio 2:3 is the same as 4:6 or 6:9. There is no ratio between the marks of a student and the salary of his teacher. The ratio except if the qualities are of the same kind. In a ratio, the quantities to be compared must be in the same unit. For example, if the weight of two quantities are given 500 grams and 3 kilograms, the ratio between two quantities is 500 and 3000 or 1:6. Continued ratio. A ratio is said to be in the continuum if consecutive of one ratio is antecedent of the other. For example, A is to B and B is to C in continued form. inverse ratio. For the ratio A is to B, the inverse ratio is defined by B is to A. In other words, two ratios are inverse of each other if their product is 1. Illustration: if A is to B equal 4 is to 5 and B is to 6 equal 7 is to 9, then find A is to B is to C. Answer: A is to B equal 4 is to 5 and multiply by 7. B is to C equal 7 is to 9 multiply by 5. Then A is to B equal 4 multiply 7 is proportion 5 multiply 7. B is to C equal 7 multiply 5 is to 9 multiply 5. A is to B multiply 28 is to 35. B is to equal 35 is to 45. A is to B is to C equal 28 is to 35 is to 45. The angles of triangle are into ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. What are the angles of triangle? Answer: let the angles be 3x, 4x and 5x. Then 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal 118. 3, 4, 5 is plus to 12 is equal to 118. 118 divided by 12 is x is 15. Proportion: 4 quantities A, B, C and D are said to be proportion if A divided by B equals C divided by D. A, B, C and D are called first, second, third and fourth proportion respectively. A proportion is also considered as the quality of two ratios. From above ratio we can say that AD equal BC. Product A multiply D is called product of extremes. Product B multiply by C is called product of means. Continued proportion: for more quantities A, B, C and D are said to be in continued proportion if A divided by B equal B divided by C equal C divided by D. B power 2 equal AC, C power 2 equal BD. Mean proportional: if A, B, C and D are in the continued proportion, then B is called the mean proportional between A and C. C is called the third proportional. Illustration: find the fourth proportion to 3, 5 and 15. Answer: here A equal 3 is to B equal B 5 and C equal 15. 3 multiplied by D equal 15 multiplied by 5. Find mean proportional between 9 and 16. Answer: here A equal 9 and C equal 16. And to find the value of B, so from continuous proportion, A divided by B equal B divided by C. B2 equal A multiplied by C. B power 2 multiply 9 multiply by 16. B power 2 equal 144. B equal 12. Thank you.